Okay, this is the video walkthrough of my Rails project. This will be a abbreviated version of the video. There's a longer one coming. I'm still editing it. So this is just something, if anybody's actually watching this, is just a basically so I could submit my project and get in line for review. So I'll briefly go over my project. I'm not going to go into great detail. I'll just give an overview. And a longer, more thorough video is coming. So let's just start by, let's go to the page. So this is the landing page. This is navbar is basically the navbar. So let's start with sign up. I can sign up as a new user. I have a bunch of users in the database, but let me just start, just make something up. Let's see, test at AOL.edu. I think that should be okay. Okay, so that goes, users logged in. They don't, obviously that's not a real email, so there's no Gravatar image. The books, they don't have any books yet because I just created the user. They can add a review, but reviews can only be added to books that are actually in the database. So if a user wants to create a review, they need to add the book first. And then this is a list of all reviews. Let me zoom out here so it looks better. So this is every user's review is on this page, is the review index. And I'm going to change that title. I don't like that. So so this little navigation here only appears when the user is logged in, so they can add a book, they can look at all reviews, and so on. So the user can log out. Make this bigger. So let me log out a user, and then I'll show you. Let's go back here. They can sign in with Google Plus. So this is my actual Gravatar, my actual email. So I haven't tried it with another email. I have another one, and it's basically, I can't figure out how to get this to go away and forget it. So I can't show you what the process it goes through. I'll do that in the other video. But yeah, I have another email with a Gravatar that has a Google Plus account, and I'm kind of saving it so I can show how it works. So this is the user home, the link to the user home, and when they log out, this goes away, and the login and the sign up appears. Give this message there. So can log in with, let me just log in as one of the users that actually has data. So Joe Reader has some books, and they have a book as soon as they write a review. Otherwise, the user doesn't have any books. So the book list, this is a scope methods. So you see the by author, and this is the list of the books by the author. So if I go to models, books, so this scope method here, order by title, order by author, that is these two links here. So for order by author, it calls this scope method. By order by title, it calls this scope in the controller. And that is about it. The bottom, this footer is this is a review or a link to the home page. This is a link to my SAD web page. Contacts, these all link to my web page, and because I didn't know what else to put there. So, and then the user logs out, they can log in, and this works whether they're, as long as the user's already signed in, they can log in and out. Sign up. Also sign up now. This will redirect them if they don't have an account. And that is about it. So I didn't use Devise. I just made my own sessions controller. So it's all basically made by hand or scratch or whatever, however you want to say it. And so that's a sessions controller. There's the static controller has kind of evolved throughout the project. This is how I call it, so that see the book title. So the title action is here, books by title. So that calls the scope method and displays the books. So that is, I know it's incredibly brief, but again, a longer, better, more thorough video is coming if anybody's watching. So thank you for watching if you did, and thank you.